Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to be mesmerized as we embark on an awe-inspiring journey to explore the 10 most beautiful waterfalls in the world. From cascading torrents of crystal-clear water to majestic natural wonders, these waterfalls are sure to take your breath away. Our first stop is the mighty Angel Falls in Venezuela. Known as the highest uninterrupted waterfall on Earth. With its staggering height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, it's a true marvel of nature. Next, we venture to the thunderous Iguazu Falls. Straddling the border of Argentina and Brazil. Prepare to be drenched by the sheer power of the falls as we take a boat ride right up to the cascading waters. Moving on, we find ourselves in Iceland, where the enchanting Seljalandsfoss waterfall awaits. What makes this waterfall truly unique is the ability to walk behind the curtain of water, providing a breathtaking perspective. Now, we head to Africa, where the mesmerizing Victoria Falls beckon. Known as the smoke that thunders, this colossal waterfall stretches across the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Creating a magnificent display of mist and rainbows. Our journey continues to the Philippines, home to the captivating Cavazon Falls. Nestled amidst lush jungle, these turquoise-colored falls offer a serene and tranquil oasis for visitors to unwind and marvel at nature's beauty. Moving across the globe, we find ourselves in the heart of South America, at the breathtaking Caítar Falls in Guyana. Surrounded by untouched rainforest, This hidden gem showcases nature's untouched splendor. Welcome to the tropical paradise of Bali, Indonesia, where the Tejenungan waterfall awaits. Surrounded by lush greenery and complemented by a serene temple nearby. This stunning waterfall creates an oasis of tranquility. Let's travel to Norway, where the breathtaking Seven Sisters Falls showcase nature's raw beauty. These 7 distinct cascades, plunging into the Geirangerfjord, offer a dramatic and awe-inspiring spectacle. Last, but certainly not least, we arrive at the magical Havasu Falls in the Grand Canyon, USA. With its mesmerizing turquoise waters contrasting against the red rocks. This hidden gem feels like a slice of paradise on Earth. The 10 most beautiful waterfalls in the world. From South America to Africa, Europe to Asia, nature's masterpieces continue to inspire and captivate us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our planet.